Did you know about Turkey's ancient underground cities?
Turkey is famous for its stunning landscapes and rich history. But did you know about its amazing underground cities? One of the most fascinating is Derinkuyu, located in Cappadocia. This underground city was discovered by accident in 1963 when a resident found a hidden room behind a wall in his home. Derinkuyu is an extensive network of tunnels that extends up to 200 feet deep and can accommodate up to 20,000 people. These subterranean chambers date back to the 8th century BC and were used as hiding places during wars and invasions. They feature living quarters, kitchens, storage rooms, and even places of worship. The ventilation shafts and wells ensured the inhabitants had fresh air and water. It's astounding to realize how advanced these ancient people were in constructing such a complex structure beneath the Earth's surface. So next time you think of Turkey, remember there's more beneath the surface than meets the eye.
Have you heard of the Hungarian tea wizard?
In ancient Hungary, there was a peculiar legend about a tea wizard named Miklos. Miklos was not your ordinary sorcerer. He had a magical kettle that brewed the most extraordinary teas. These teas could heal wounds, inspire creativity, and even grant temporary invisibility. One day, a young shepherd named Janos stumbled upon Miklos's hidden cabin while searching for a lost sheep. Curious, Janos knocked on the door and was invited inside. Miklos offered him a cup of tea. To Janos's amazement, after drinking the tea, he could hear the thoughts of animals. Though tempted to tell the world, Janos kept the secret, leading a prosperous life by using his new ability to safeguard his flock. It's said that Miklos chose only the pure-hearted to receive his magical teas, and somewhere deep in the Hungarian forests, his descendants still guard the enchanted kettle to this very day.
Did you know about Finland's singing trees?
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating mystery from Finland that very few people know about: the singing trees of the Isojärvi National Park. These trees are not your ordinary forest giants. What makes them unique is the eerie, melodic sound they produce when the wind blows through them. Scientists believe that the sound is caused by a combination of tree vibrations and wind frequencies, creating a natural symphony in the forest. Imagine hiking through a forest and hearing a song produced by nature itself. Some locals even say these trees have been singing for hundreds of years, adding a mystical touch to Finland's already enchanting landscapes. If you're a nature lover or someone who enjoys mysterious places, Isojärvi National Park should definitely be on your bucket list.
Did you know this about Ada Lovelace?
Ada Lovelace, born in 1815, is often celebrated as the world's first computer programmer. But did you know she was also a visionary in predicting the future potential of computers? Not only did she see beyond simple calculations, but she also imagined a machine that could create music, art, and even compose poetry. Ada's mind was far ahead of her time. She envisioned computers doing things we didn't see until over a century later. Her work with Charles Babbage on the analytical engine set the foundation for modern computing. So, next time you use a computer, remember Ada Lovelace, the 19th century genius who looked into the future and saw our present.
Did you know the Himba people of Namibia have a unique greeting ritual?
In the remote regions of Namibia, the himba people have a fascinating and unique way to greet each other. Instead of a simple handshake or a nod, they perform a communal butterfly hug. When two himba people meet, they stand facing each other and extend their arms a way that looks similar to a butterfly's wings. Then they gently tap their right shoulders against each other twice, followed by a soft pat on the left shoulder. This graceful gesture symbolizes the warmth, harmony, and togetherness that are highly prized in their culture. It's not just a greeting, it's a way of expressing mutual respect and connection. This enchanting ritual is a beautiful reminder of the many unique ways humans around the world maintain their social bonds.
Did you know about the mysterious bird of Peru?
In the dense jungles of Peru, there's a little-known folk tale about the mysterious bird called the Tunche. According to local lore, the Tunche is a spirit that takes the form of a bird with an eerie, human-like whistle. This haunting sound is said to paralyze anyone who hears it alone in the forest. People believe that the Tunche is the spirit of someone who met a tragic end in the jungle. It's often used to warn people of unseen dangers lurking in the dark. If you plan to venture into the Peruvian forests, it's best to stick close to your group. They say if you ever hear the Tunche's whistle, you should never whistle back or it will take your soul. This is just one of the many rich and spooky legends that make the folklore of Peru so fascinating.
Did you know England has a polka dot village?
Welcome to England's most colorful secret, the polka dot village. Nestled in the heart of the English countryside is the village of Westbourne, unlike any other. This picturesque village stands out for its unique charm. Nearly every building is adorned with vibrant polka dots. The tradition started over 50 years ago when a local artist painted polka dots on his house to stand out. Locals loved it, and soon, more houses followed suit. The polka dots symbolize community spirit and togetherness, making Westbourne a living canvas of artistry and unity. Today it attracts tourists worldwide, all eager to see the playful and colorful village. The quirky tradition continues to thrive, with residents and artists regularly refreshing and adding to the designs. Visiting Westbourne is like stepping into a whimsical storybook, where each dot represents a piece of the village's vibrant history.
Meet Nettie Stevens, the woman who uncovered XY chromosomes.
Hey everyone! Did you know that the XY chromosomes, which determine whether you're male or female, were discovered by a woman? Yep, her name was Nettie Stevens. In the early 1900s, while many scientists were puzzled about how gender was determined, Nettie made a groundbreaking discovery. She found that males have XY chromosomes and females have XX chromosomes. This was huge because it explained why some babies were boys and others were girls. Unfortunately, Nettie's work wasn't widely recognized in her lifetime. Today, it's crucial we remember and celebrate her contribution to science.
Why do Masai warriors drink blood?
One surprising tradition of the Maasai people from East Africa is their practice of drinking cow's blood. For the Maasai, cows are an essential part of their life and culture. During special occasions like weddings or coming-of-age ceremonies, they mix fresh cow's blood with milk, creating a nutrient-rich drink. The process of collecting blood is humane and does not harm the animals. The Maasai carefully puncture the jugular vein of a cow and use a small calabash to collect the blood. This unique practice provides essential nutrients such as proteins and iron, making it a vital part of their diet, especially during times when milk is scarce. Besides being a nutritious drink, cow's blood holds deep cultural and symbolic significance among the Maasai, representing strength, virility, and connection to their heritage. Isn't it fascinating how different cultures find unique ways to make the most of their environment?
Did you know about Bolivia's salt flat mirror?
Have you heard of the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia? It's the largest salt flat in the world, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers. But what makes it truly magical is what happens when it rains. The salt flat transforms into the world's largest natural mirror, creating an illusion of infinity. The shallow layer of water turns the flat into a perfect reflecting surface, making the sky and ground blend seamlessly. This phenomenon is so surreal that it's often referred to as the sky mirror. Perfect for stunning photos, visitors often feel as though they're walking on the clouds. Surprisingly, this wondrous place also plays a crucial role in the tech world. It's home to a massive reserve of lithium, a key component in batteries. So next time you use your smartphone or electric car, think about the salt flats of Bolivia.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.